Okay, we are going to recharge the air conditioning on a 2016 Jeep Renegade. And you are going to use R1234YF. Just double check with the manufacturer, make sure this is correct for your vehicle. Okay, so turn the vehicle on, turn the AC on all the way. And then you're going to want to pop the hood and find the low pressure line for your air conditioner. Well, first you're going to want to pop the hood. Low pressure line is going to be right here, passenger side. In the back, right here. Just going to unscrew this cap off. And then just go ahead and put this right on. Then you're just going to screw down the top here to puncture this and watch the gauge until you get it into the green and it stabilizes in the green. And then check your air conditioner. Make sure your air conditioner is on high in your vehicle while you're doing this.